Hi there, I'm Big Bird.
And Grizzy.
Today, we are going to say all the word starts with the letter T. Look Grizzy, this word is teddy bear, haha, just like my favorite teddy bear, Radar.
Radar? Yuck, I like soggy pants Sandy doll, not your favorite bear.
Okay, next word. Look, this word is tiger.
Did somebody said tiger? We have stripes everything, ha ha, Big Bird and Grizzy, keep saying all the T words.
Okay, next T word. This word is train.
I don't like trains. Trains are rubbish, yuckiest, junkiest and trashiest vehicles.
One more word to go. This word is trash, this grouch word, right?
This is good, Big Bird. Now scram, and go away.